shall we, Rob?
Yes, they'll be all fluffed up, I think. Now, if you can get hold of the sunshine today or any time in the next few days, then savour it, because I think it might well be in quite short supply. Today's favoured spots, part 1, northeast of England. This, of course, is Newcastle recently, and the whole of northeast England has been doing quite well, but that doesn't make it warm. The Vale of York was quite cold, frosty indeed, with a bit of fog this morning. It's only just coming out now. And the other side of the Pennines, it's spotting with rain, though at 7 degrees. There's a nice hole in the southeast of England which will last, I think, until dusk, and it's spreading into East Anglia. There's been the odd break in Devon, for example. But if you're stuck underneath a cloud, it's a very disappointing and very cold day. Only just creeping up to 3 degrees in Durham, maybe up as far as 6 in a good part of central England. Northern Ireland, surprisingly better. Bangor representing really a good part of Northern Ireland here with 9 degrees. And Plymouth, well, warmest of all. Bit of rain, bit of sun, still mild. You can't beat that. Now, much of the cloud that's around is dropping rain. There's few spots anywhere in central England, southern England, the coast of Cornwall and Wales. But Northern Ireland and Scotland is where this streak is hard to move. Now, this has been rain or drizzle throughout the last 36 hours. It's not going to move anywhere. If you're in northeastern Scotland or Northern Isles, you'll get the afternoon sunshine. If you're in western side of Northern Ireland, you should do much the same. But otherwise, things will not quickly change. So that's how the afternoon closes. And with temperatures not very high, we readily go down to near frost levels tonight, probably more so than was the case at dawn this morning, which means more fog as well. And with fairly thin cloud, the fog seems most likely to stick for a while. Central and eastern England seem most prone, but the borders of Wales, Northern Ireland could get some as well, and Highland Scotland. Well, if it sticks, of course, tomorrow, it's going to be just as cold as if you're stuck under cloud today, and it may well stick tomorrow. Equally, if you're the lucky ones, and I won't say South Wales will be, but if you are, a nice bit of sunshine should set off the day nicely. But here's the rain line, still in much the same place as is the case today. That'll be about 7 degrees. Stuck in the fog or the cloud, 3 or 4 will be fairly typical. Now, once we've got in this position, it's fairly typical of late November or early December. Slap an anticyclone over the top, an area of high pressure, and that's just what we've done, and nothing moves. In fact, what tends to happen is you get pretty cold nights, pretty cold days, and pretty persistent fog. That will be a snapshot for Thursday. It could well be you're stuck in persistent fog and it's cold. And Friday looks no better. So enjoy the sunshine if you've got it, because there's a greater chance of you getting fogged out and cold by the end of the week.